everybody. Good afternoon. Happy Thursday, Friday Eve. Happy almost Friday. As you can see, I got my makeup on. I'm feeling good, looking good, feeling better. And look at my baby. I wanted Gia to come on here and say hello to the world. And we both want to remind you all to please vote for me. Tonight and today is the last day to vote for me to go from top 20 to top 15 in the competition. It means so much to me. It means the world to me. Let's get me to the top 15 and to number 1. Hey, B-Dub, what's happening? Happy Thursday. I just want everyone to meet Gia. Say hi, baby Gia. She's 4 months old. Her birthday is November 1st, so she just turned 4 months. And she's playful. She's super affectionate. She follows me around everywhere. I have the best dog ever, not even being biased, but like everywhere I go, everyone like stops and stares and gives her the most compliments, and everybody loves her. And she's so good. Like, she barely ever barks. I haven't heard her bark not once. She barely cries. She only cries when she doesn't get attention from me, when I'm not by her, because she loves attention. Hey, yes, you vote. There's actually a link in my bio, and I'm going to add it to my story right after this. It's on it's called Entrepreneur of Impact. That's the name of the competition. And the link is right in my bio. It says vote for me. Click on that. Vote for me is free. If you want to do more votes, you have to pay for it, but it is a tax deductible donation. It goes to a nonprofit for schools. But I really appreciate your support. Everyone also, please share it. It helps out a lot. Like, once the word gets out and it starts a fire and spreads, then that'll help me get even more votes, and it'll put exposure to my store. The reason why I'm in the competition is because you win not only $10,000, which, I mean, you win $25,000, which is huge. I also will win the chance to meet the famous, Damon John, that created the brand FUBU, Black-owned company, that was on Shark Tank. I'll get to have a one-on-one coaching session with him, which will help my business out a lot, and I really need and would appreciate that a lot. And then the third thing is I'll be on Forbes magazine. And I'll get a whole spread. I'll get a cover story, and I'll be able to talk about my store to get more exposure. So this competition is huge. It's dear to my heart. Once you click the link that says click here to vote, you'll see more details. They asked me 3 very specific questions, and I gave my answers as to why I'm in the competition and why I want to win. But just to touch on it, it is for my store. I do have an online store called It's Jasmine Smith Merch, where I do sell and I sell t-shirts, and I sell notebooks like these. My little notebook of big ideas, and this cute notebook, as well as digital journals. I have, I believe, 6 or 8 different digital journals. So definitely check out my website too, and make sure you vote. My website is it's jasminesmithmerch.love. Again, it's jasminesmithmerch.love. That link to my website is also in my bio. If you click on, it says Linktree. That's the link that'll take you to all my different links, and my store link is right at the top. So make sure you check out my store too. Also, if you scroll on my page, my Instagram, you'll see like all of my different products. You'll see my different posts that I made about my store, so you'll see even more. And my website has all the different designs. I have like 16 different shirt designs too. And since you're on live, you'll be the first to know. I have a flash sale coming for Valentine's Day next Friday, so be on the lookout for the flash sale. It's a really, really good deal that you don't want to miss. Also, I'm going to start rolling out one design, surprise, limited edition design every month. So be on the lookout. Next month, I'll be dropping a whole brand new, cool, pretty design for you to purchase. So yeah, like I said, my store, link in bio, is jasminesmithmerch.love. Add me on Instagram, my store's page. It's at itsjasmine.smithmerch. And make sure you vote for me and share it with everyone you know. What really helps me to get to number 1 is sharing it. And so the link to that, Entrepreneur of Impact, is in my bio. Thank you so much. And then one last announcement. I want you all to see Gia once again. I got her groomed yesterday for the first time. I actually created a post about it. It was a picture and 2 videos. It's my latest post on Instagram. So make sure, say hi, baby. Say hi, I'm just a little baby, just a little puppy. So I'm thinking about creating a TikTok and Instagram account for her. I'm gonna be one of those dog moms because she is so alert. I actually started training her yesterday at this pet store, and she did so good. For her to be such a small puppy at only 4 months, she kept up with all the other big puppies. She knows commands. She's attached to my hip though. Like I said, I can't go or do anything by myself or she'll start whining. She follows me everywhere and I just love it. She's so affectionate and playful. She's a good listener. So I love me my Gia. That's her name, Gia. And yeah, what else I was gonna say? Yeah, she did good at training. Oh, and the reason why she got groomed yesterday with these cute pink little bows and the reason I have my makeup all done up is because this girl is finna be booked and busy. Like, we're both about to be modeling. I want to get into modeling, and she's about to be a dog model because she's getting booked. I'm about to be her dogager, okay? Like, we're about to go to a special surprise photo shoot. I don't want to give too much away about it, but because I want to post about it. And basically, we got the photo shoot for free. I won a contest from posting about her and her picture. Everybody loves her. Like I said, she's so adorable. So that's what we're about to get ready to do. So I hope you all have a great rest of your Thursday. A great weekend and have a happy Friday. And Gia is it's called Bichapoo. She's a mixed breed between a toy poodle and a Bichon. So she's gonna stay really small like this. All right, y'all, have a good one. Bye. Thanks. Show some love. Vote, and share. Bye-bye.